The electronics industry in Malaysia has undergone significant development and has become highly mature and advanced. From electronic products to mobile accessories, Malaysia's electronics manufacturing sector encompasses a wide range of product categories. These products not only have high demand in the domestic market but are also exported to various destinations worldwide. Maya is from an electronics factory in Malaysia and wants to learn about Reeman Company's robotic chassis for carrying out delivery tasks and meeting the factory's distribution needs.
How about payload capacity of an AMR robot?
AMR robots offer different options, with payload capacities of 80 kilograms, 100 kilograms, and 300 kilograms. They are built with a sturdy sheet metal structure that is stable and resistant to deformation, making them suitable for complex environments and confined spaces in electronic manufacturing plants.
Does AMR robots automate tasks?
AMR robots are equipped with a customizable solution of lift-type AGV, automated guided vehicle, allowing for adjustable chassis height to accommodate different work environments and task requirements. This enhances the flexibility, customization, efficiency, and safety of the delivery robots. Such a design improves transportation efficiency and the level of automation in workflows.
How capable are AMR robots in terms of work?
AMR robots employ laser slam, simultaneous localization and mapping, technology fused with 3D cameras, enabling them with exceptional environmental perception capabilities for intelligent obstacle avoidance and autonomous navigation. The unique autonomous scheduling system of Reeman allows for automatic planning of optimal paths, ensuring orderly delivery of electronic products to designated locations. The robot delivery also supports lift control functionality, enabling delivery tasks across different floors.
Is operating AMR robots simple?
Certainly. Operating AMR robots is straightforward. Factory staff can simply select the desired destination on the screen for one-touch delivery without the need for additional programming or setup. It is extremely convenient for factory personnel to operate. What problems do AMR robots solve for you?
The electronics industry in Malaysia is highly developed. However, there is a shortage of labor in certain regions. The use of delivery robots helps to fill the labor gap by autonomously transporting finished products or raw materials within electronic manufacturing plants without the need for human intervention. This improves delivery efficiency and reduces time and costs associated with manual operations. During busy periods, human errors are prone to occur, such as delivering products to the wrong location or mixing up orders. Delivery robots can mitigate the risk of human errors by following pre-programmed paths and instructions, ensuring accurate and reliable deliveries. Additionally, the use of robots promotes innovative development within electronic manufacturing plants and enhances the overall corporate image.
As an advanced commercial service robot supplier, Reeman Company will continue to provide high-quality and customized delivery solutions to the manufacturing industry, meeting the production needs of electronic product factories in Malaysia.